9X Marine is proud to offer a garden hose water flush adapter for modern Cobra stern drives with a standard water pump. This adapter is used on the dry dock. Simply remove the impeller and bolt our panel to the same area. Attach a water hose to the valve, and you don't have to run to the main shutoff valve. It is an excellent tool for troubleshooting your engine when it needs to run and cool. Many mechanics prefer not to use sterndrive lower suction cups, because the water pressure relies on a properly functioning impeller. Our flush panel was designed to block the water outlet and reuse water inlet directly into the engine cooling line. Benefits of our flush adapter: 1. Easy garden hose connection with shutoff valve, for feeding motor with cooling water. 2. Each panel features permanent rubber installation gasket, stainless steel washers, and bolts. 3. Durable 3D printed structure, uses tough plastic. This adapter will work for years to come. 4. Must-have, when working with Cobra stern drives. 5. Perfect for winterizing on the dry dock. Simply connect this adapter to a large holding tank filled with antifreeze positioned above the engine, open the valve, and start your engine. There is no other way to fill your engine efficiently with antifreeze without this adapter. Draining your engine off water during a winter time is much worse than filling your engine with antifreeze, especially for your engine's water pump. Without antifreeze, it might rust enough to seize the next season, since some water will still remain on the inside. Our adapter eliminates the need to install an expensive Perco Flush Pro. Both Perco Flush Pro and the 9X Marine adapter both require the removal of the impeller anyway to winterize your engine on the dry dock. Flush Pro should be used only if your boat is in the water. Cobra water pump information tip. Your impeller is very simple, and its operation is self-explanatory. However, your water pressure and cooling greatly depend on your sterndrive's internal copper water crossover from the lower to the upper section, from the water accumulation tank and its gaskets. The water accumulation tank and its copper crossover pipe are exposed to the hot exhaust gases. If the water accumulation gasket or copper pipe is compromised, your impeller will be filled with half water and half exhaust gas. In both instances, your rubber impeller will quickly succumb to meltdown and destruction, causing your engine to overheat. You can always purchase this adapter by visiting our website or wherever 9X Marine products are sold.